Okay, let me create one new file. This session is going to be very short session, guys, because with this we're gonna complete the data types. Okay, the next data type is Boolean. What is Boolean? So Boolean data types provides two built-in values. There are two built-in values.
0.
Yeah, that's right. First, true, and the second one,
False.
false. These are the two built-in values provided by the Boolean data types. So what are these built-in values, true and false? These values are used to determine whether the given statement is true or false. To check, in simple words, to check whether the given statement is true, or you can say right or wrong. To justify this, we use Boolean data type. It denoted by the class bool. The class is bool. Like for the list, what is the class? When you pass the uh, type method, if you want to check whether the given variable is list or not, how to check? Using the type, right? Type method. We use the type method, and what was the class is going to get for the list? We'll get the list, right? For the tuple. For dictionary, we'll get dict, and for string, we'll get str, right? And for integer, we'll get
I
int, right? These are the classes. Okay, it denoted by the, but this will be denoted by the bool, not boolean total value, total name, but it will take the shortcut name. Okay, so in the similar way, this class, this boolean is derived from the class bool. True can be represented by, true can be represented by capital T or non-zero, non-zero value. For an example, 1.
1.
And false is represented by capital F or 0. Okay, this is how the boolean is going to be represented. And let me give you one example for this. Let me create one file. So here, let me take a print, and the type, I'll use the type method to define the true. So it should return now what? As I told you, these are the built-in values, right? True and false. If I run this now, it should return me this class as bool. Let me run this. See here, it is returning the class as bool. In the similar way, for the false also, because this false and true both are derived from the same class. So that's the reason it will returns the same thing. See, let me run this. So this will also derived from the same class bool. So what if I use, sorry, what if I use TRU true, but not capital letter with the small letter, small t. Okay, instead of capital T, I'm going to use small t. It says there is a name error. It will not accept neither small t nor small f. Okay, either it won't accept, because that will be not defined by the Python. Okay, so it will get the name. So always this should be a capital letter. false and true should be a capital O right. Okay, get it? Any other doubts up to this? For this, let me give one a small example. I'll give you one example. Let's say a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. If double equals to b, then print false. Okay, else print true. So let's see this. So what will be the output right now? Anyone?
False.
Yeah. So it says true. Why? Any specific reason? You got it right? You got that right? So A is not is equals to B. A is, but what is the condition? If A is equals to B, it should return false, right? A is equals to B or not? No, right? A is not is equals to B. So it will returns the else statement. Whatever you have in else statement, that will get printed, which means true. The first condition, let me give you this way. Is not,
But why is it so?
see, yeah, I'll let you. So always, if it is the condition is true, then the first one will get execute. Now you see this now. It says true. A is not is equals to B. True, right? Yes, that is true, right? A is not is equals to B. 10 is not is equals to 20. So here, what I did, see here, if I just remove that double equals, so the system doesn't know. System doesn't know. It just follows the condition. If this condition gets true, this will execute this one. Whatever in this, not only true and
But the
false.
condition is
Mm,
wrong, right?
So if a
But the condition is wrong.
condition is wrong, it's totally depend upon the condition. See, let's say I have some rough data. See here, which one it got execute? The second one, A is equals to B.
What
The
if it
condition.
is
Tell me, Neha.
what if it is B is also what if it is B is also equal 10? Then the same value will print.
Yeah, that's right. If now this will get prints. See here. Now you got the DKFN here, right? But now it will print the first statement because A is equals to B. See here. You're getting right. So here, what I'm trying to say is just a validation. This Boolean type will give you the just validation. If it is true, it will execute. If it is not true, it won't execute. That's it. Simple example. Okay. Next one. Next one. The last one in data types is set. The last one. What is a set? So in set is also an
Collection of
unordered collection of data types. Collection of different data types. So very similar to set, which is the unordered data type? List, tuple, dictionary. Which is the unordered collection of different data types among list, tuple, and dictionary? Which one?
the
Dictionary.
Hmm. Dictionary, huh? Dictionary or tuple?
Dictionaries.
Yes, exactly. Dictionary is also an unordered data type, very similar to set. But whereas list and tuple are ordered data types. Next one. So it is iterable. Sets are iterable. I'll tell you what is iterable. And mutable also. Means you can change the values. which are immutable data types among list tuple dictionary. Among list tuple dictionary, which are mutable data types.
Tuple. Tuple.
Mutable in the sense,
Mutable.
mutable in the
Change.
sense,
Change.
we can change the
We
value, we can
cannot change
modify.
the
Yeah, we can change the value or we can modify the value. We can change.
list is a mutable.
Yes, exactly. List is mutable, tuple is immutable, and dictionary is also mutable. You can change the values in the dictionary also. But for the tuple, we cannot change. Among all list, tuple, set, dictionary, and set, only the tuple is immutable data type. Mutable is nothing but can change the values after creation. Okay, and in set, it has the unique element. It has the unique element. In set, the order of element is undefined. Let's say the order is undefined. So undefined in the sense, the order will changes every time. The order may change anytime. The order of the elements may change. I'll show you that with an example. Then you will come to know what is order is undefined. And it may return the changed sequence of the element. So it will returns the changed sequence. Let's say you have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and while you are printing, it will print 5, 4, 1, 2, 3 kind of. It will jumbles the elements, that is undefined. Okay. The set is created by using built-in function set. Set is going to create by the built-in function. It is a built-in function. We use the set open close parenthesis function to create the set, and a sequence of elements is passed in the curly braces, very similar to our uh, dictionary, and these are enclosed in curly braces, very similar to dictionaries. uh, how do we enclose tuples?
Square bracket.
Tuples, parenthesis, wall brackets.
Parenthesis.
Lists are with enclosed in between square brackets.
No much.
And dictionaries,
Curly brace.
Parenthesis.
exactly. And these are also separated by comma. Next one. And it may consist different kinds of data type as we discussed. So what is a set? What is a set? It is a unordered collection of different data types, and these are iterable and mutable, and it has the unique element, and the order in set is undefined, which means the order of the elements may change, and these set elements are derived by the set built-in function, and these are also enclosed in between curly braces and separated by the comma. Let's look at this with an example. Okay, so let me create a empty set. For this, if you want to create a empty set, what it should you should have, you should have a, let's say I'm creating one variable. Mm, set 1 is my variable name. This is just a variable name, and from which we're gonna create, we will use the set built-in function, right? So set. So now we have created one set1 variable with set values. As I told you, this will have only, this will have only unique element. Okay. Now next, Just we have created one set. Let me take another set as 2. I'll go with 2. Another set. And this will have open and close braces, curly braces, and separated by comma. Let me have some elements in it. I'll go with Hari and 1.0, and then I'll go with 25. Then H, hello. Let's take hello. These are the 4 elements in my set 2. Now I want to print my set. Just I'll go with print and the set, whatever set I have. Set 2. See here, it has printed the set. Now I want to add one element to it. Let's say there are 4 elements. I want to add one more element. For this, set to which set? To set 2, right? Set 2 dot add. Add, and with what is an element I wanted to add? I want to add Rakesh. I want to add Rakesh. Okay. See here. Have you observed which is the first element we printed on the console? What should be the first element? It should be Hari, right? But it was not Hari, right? The hello was the fourth element, and Hari is first element. 1.0 is second element, but it is printed on the it is on the console. It has taken third place, and 25 is third. Index value is 2, but it has taken index value as 3, which means position 4. So this is called unordered. The declare sequence may change while printing the set. This is called undefined order. Order is undefined. Okay, the order of the elements may change. See here, the elements got changed, right? Are you getting, guys? The first one is Hari, but on the console it is hello. The second one is 1.0, but here Hari. 25 third element, here 1.0, fourth element is hello. The 25 is the fourth element. The order has changed, right? This is the thing in set. The order is undefined. So I have added fifth element as Rakesh to it. So let me print now. Okay, I'll print the set again. Set, which set? Second set. Now in my set I should get 5 elements. See here, the first element, second element. See again, see, you see these guys? Again the set to order has changed, right? After adding,
Yes.
yeah, after adding Rakesh supposed to be at the 5th position, right? But it took the 3rd position. This is how you're gonna add the element to the set. In the similar way, as I told you, the order is undefined. So let me remove one element from the
So what is the use of sets here?
set.
Like this is the biggest disadvantage actually.
Mm,
We are printing in the console.
but the address, the elements which are stored in the memory will take the single unique address. That is the advantage of set. Means you can retrieve the elements very fastly when compared to list, tuples, dictionaries. Among all data types, sets are the most uh, fastest data retrieval data types. And you know where we use these sets to generate the random numbers? In gambling, you know gambling, right? There are so many gambling apps. You can use these sets. Okay, if you give one input, it will generate another kind of order. Okay, even generating OTPs, it will jumbles the numbers and it will send. Okay, that is the reason the OTPs are getting generated much faster. In generating OTPs we use sets. Okay, not exactly sets, they use the set technique. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Now I want to remove one item from the set. Set to dot remove. Uh, which one you want me to remove? We'll remove 25. Okay, let me remove 25. After removing, I'll print the set again. So let me see. In the third statement, there should not be 25 should be removed. Yes, it is removed, right? Till second statement, it got printed. For the third statement, the 25 got removed. Any doubts, guys, up to now? Anyone? Any doubts?
Mm.
No, this is going to be very short session, guys, because with this we are done with the data types. Tomorrow we'll come up with new